Hi, everybody. If, like me, you've been totally frustrated by the fact that you can't upload an image to Instagram from your computer, take heart. There's actually a very easy way to do it, and I'm going to show you how. The first thing you need to do is open a browser. I've tried this in Firefox and it doesn't work. It absolutely works in Chrome, so that's what I'm going to use. I'm on PC. If you've got a Mac, this should work exactly the same way. Give it a try. In any case, the first step is to open the browser. So I'm going to open Chrome. And from Chrome, I'm going to open the Instagram web page. And here I am. Of course, I'm already logged into my account. And in this particular mode on the PC, you have no options to upload anything. But there is a way. And what you have to do is right-click on your mouse, go down to Inspect in the drop-down menu, click on that, and you come into the Inspect mode. Up here, if you look, you have a funny little icon that looks like a phone and a tablet. And this is the toggle device toolbar. If this is black, you are in your computer mode. However, if you toggle it to blue, or if it comes up in blue as it did for me, you're now in the mobile mode. And from here you can upload. But you need to do one more step. As you can see, there is no option to upload anything. So what I have to do is refresh this page at this point. I hit F5 to refresh. And as you see now at the bottom here, I have all my options just as I would on a phone. Right in the middle is the plus. I click on that, opens a window to choose an image, navigate to whatever folder your image is in, choose the image you want to upload, click on that, and open. And there it is, ready to upload. Now you can see that this one is cut off because the image that I chose is not square. If it were square, it would be absolutely ready to go. But here we have to actually fit it. The way to do that is to go down to the bottom of the image, and you see on the left and the right you have two options. On the left, there's a resize button with the two diagonal arrows. If you click on that, it will resize your image to fit with the long side fitting into the Instagram frame. And there you are. Hit Next. And here you have the option to write a caption, add location, tag people. I don't want to do that. I just want to share it as it is. I hit Share. And presto, here it is. Loaded and ready to go. Okay, that's all it takes. I hope this has helped you as it helped me when I found it out. And I'm glad to be able to share this.